Hey YouTube, this is Technoloop and this is my first tutorial in YouTube, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to make a aeroplane on Cinema 4D. Open Cinema 4D, take a cone. Okay, now uh, positive Z, then the height to 1000 centimeter, then go to caps, then pre select the top and bottom so that it becomes something like this. Okay, now let's go to our object and change the chop radius to 10 centimeter. Okay, now the body of our plane is ready. Now let's make the wings. It's a basic model of a plane which you can make with uh, normal pieces. Yeah, it's good. Just okay. Now yeah, it's in the center. So just now fill it. Press select the button, fill it so that it has a reality look. So let's duplicate it, hold down control and duplicate it. Now yeah, check that. I'm using alt for camera, alt for moments, so follow it. Okay, in this I'm gonna make it very short so that it looks like the back of the wing, back of the plane. Yeah, it's awesome. Yeah, okay. Now yeah, it's fine. Now we have to make the other part of the plane, so duplicate the cube once more and change the size of the z axis to 100 and shorten it up. Yeah, it's look awesome. It's a normal plane which yeah, yeah, it's look like a okay. Plane's back area is ready. Now we have to make a cockpit for our plane, so let's go for a capsule, uh, positive Z, then tint it over some. Now press the middle mouse button, sorry, and right, and then rotate a little. Okay, now let's uh, move that for some reality. Yeah, it's awesome. No, it's a little bit, but it's fine. That's fine. The coloring part will be at the end. Now we have to make the propeller, so let's deselect all this. uh, Capsule, vertical Z, height segments to 1, then disk, uh, positive Z, then go to the slice option. From 161 degrees is good. Now go to our object, increase the outer radius. Okay, now just duplicate that, sorry, yeah, it's right, rotate it, which looks like a propeller. Okay, yeah, bingo. Holy let's select it, delete it, select plane, duplicate it, control. Now rotate it properly. Disk 1, Yeah, this time it's good. It's really awesome. Okay, now select all our plane. Yeah, then vast. Now uh, drag the board disk and parent it to our capsule. So then when we press our capsule and rotate it, the whole capsule rotates. Sorry, I'm very bad at English. Please follow me very. Okay. Yeah. Oh yes. Now it's looked like a real plane. Now we have to keyframe for its rotation and then parent all the objects to the null so that a plane looks good. Okay, first set a keyframe for a capsule, then go to the 60 frames and rotate as much as you can, then press another keyframe so that we can get a rotating animation. Now uh, take a null object, select all this and parent it. See the the downward arrow. Okay, now when a plane is come, see, yeah, now we have to animate the plane, so we have to press a keyframe, go on to somewhat 30 frames and just drag the Z axis and press the keyframe once more so that we can get a moving plane. If we want to take off 31st frame, hold down keyframe, then go to our right, then rotate the plane a little bit, then go back to our perspective position, then bingo. So sorry, I think I have made one mistake. Control Z, uh, go somewhat to end of 50 frames, then go and slightly increase height, then yeah, then press the keyframe so we get something like this. Yeah, so you can color it and rendering. This will be the second part of the tutorial. So this is my first tutorial on YouTube. Okay, rate, comment and subscribe.